All right, let's see how we can remove the backgrounds from our AI generated cliparts. So I'm using watercolor cliparts right here. As you can see, there is some white edges around the clipart, so it's quite difficult to remove using Adobe Photoshop. So I'm gonna show you my simple trick that I use to make clear edges. So just go to layers right here and make a background copy just like that, and then go to channels and select blue, and then you need to go to image adjustment levels, okay, and increase the darkness of these cliparts just like I'm doing here. Just don't overdo it because it's gonna look really bad. As you can see, we are losing some details, so just keep it like this, like this would be good, I think. Yeah, right, okay. I think this will be fine, and then click OK, and then click here to select your objects, and then go back to layers, and I'm gonna hide the copied background and select your original background, okay, and then make a layer mask by going here and go to properties and select invert, and then create a solid color layer. I'm gonna use black and drop it down to below to your layers, right. As you can see that we already have a really good one, but we are losing some details, some white points in here, so we are gonna add back the white areas. Actually there is one trick that I use to make it fast. So just go to brush tool, and in the mode in top here, just change it to overlay, and then make sure to select white on your brush, okay, and then slowly paint over the areas that you need to add the detail back, okay, right. So yeah, you can just paint it over actually, right. So yeah, you can also paint it over in here as well. And I'm gonna show you how to remove these white patches around the object. Actually that's pretty easy to do as well, so also make sure to just paint around the areas that you need to add white. And it's not really best way to add that, so I'm gonna show you what is the correct way, okay. So let's go to your layers and double click to the mask. Right, in the mask area I'm gonna use actually here the refine edge tool. Before we paint over, I'm gonna set some settings right here, just follow along. In radius you can select like 2 points and enable smart radius, and I'm gonna smooth it like 8 maybe, and increase the contrast a little bit more, right. Yeah, 50% would be good, I think. Okay, smooth a little bit more, okay, right. And now we need to remove some areas. As you can see, it's already gone, but I think you can click the areas that you need to remove completely, just like that, okay. Yeah, just you can also paint over the area, all right. Yeah, also you need to bring the white back in some areas, just like in here. You can do that by going to brush tool in the corner and just click the areas that you need to add the detail back, okay, just like that. All right, so yeah, okay, all right. In here it's quite difficult to remove, but you can also go to refine edge tool and just increase the brush size and click to the white area, and then just paint over the areas that you need to remove, okay. Let's see how it's gonna look. All right, yeah, that looks good. So I'm gonna do that in these as well. Yeah, we are losing some areas, so you can bring those back by increasing the shift edge tool, right. Yeah, all right. So just do the same thing to all of your objects, just like that, okay, right. I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna click OK. All right, this is our final image, okay. As you can see, the edges are really good. Now white areas. You can also always remove these by going back to mask and using edge refine tool. Okay, also do the same for here. Okay, all right, so yeah, in the areas like this you can just paint it over in here, and make sure to change the mode to normal and just paint it over. Okay, just like that. All right, yeah, that's it, and I hope this video helpful. If you have any other questions, just comment down below. Thanks.